Welcome to the final video of this section. In this video, we'll be exploring the importance of resilience and persistence in developing a growth mindset. We'll also look at techniques for building resilience and persistence, and examine examples of individuals who have overcome obstacles and achieved success through their tenacity and determination. Resilience and persistence are essential qualities for anyone who wants to achieve their goals and overcome challenges. Without these qualities, setbacks and failures can quickly lead to frustration, discouragement, and ultimately, giving up. But with resilience and persistence, we can develop a growth mindset that allows us to see challenges as opportunities for growth, and failures as temporary setbacks on the path to success. So, let's start by understanding what resilience and persistence are and how they contribute to a growth mindset. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, adapt to change, and recover from difficult situations. Persistence, on the other hand, is the quality of continuing to work towards a goal, even in the face of obstacles, setbacks, and failures. Research has shown that these qualities are crucial for success in many areas of life, including business, education, sports, and personal relationships. For example, studies have found that people with higher levels of resilience and persistence are more likely to achieve their goals, perform better under pressure, and cope with stress and adversity. So, how can we develop these qualities in ourselves? Here are some techniques for building resilience and persistence. 1. Embrace challenges. Instead of avoiding challenges or setbacks, embrace them as opportunities for growth and learning. See each failure or setback as a chance to learn and improve. 2. Stay positive. Focus on the positive aspects of your situation and try to maintain a positive outlook. This can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. 3. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself when things don't go as planned. Remember that everyone experiences setbacks and failures, and it's okay to make mistakes. 4. Find a support system. Having a support system of friends, family, or mentors can provide encouragement, advice, and perspective when you need it most. 5. Stay motivated. Keep your goals in mind and stay motivated by tracking your progress, celebrating small victories, and visualizing your success. Now let's look at some examples of individuals who have demonstrated resilience and persistence in the face of challenges. One example is Oprah Winfrey, who faced poverty, abuse, and discrimination early in her life. Despite these challenges, she persevered, eventually becoming one of the most successful and influential media personalities of all time. Another example is Michael Phelps, who faced ADHD and struggled with depression and anxiety throughout his career. Despite these challenges, he went on to become the most decorated Olympian of all time, with 28 medals and countless world records. These individuals demonstrate that resilience and persistence are qualities that can be developed and cultivated over time, and that they are essential for achieving success in the face of adversity. In conclusion, resilience and persistence are crucial qualities for anyone who wants to develop a growth mindset and achieve their goals. By embracing challenges, staying positive, practicing self-compassion, finding a support system, and staying motivated, we can develop these qualities in ourselves and overcome any obstacle that comes our way. Thank you for watching this video series, and I hope you found it informative and inspiring.